morning students. In the previous video I have discussed numerical based on normality. Now I am going to tell you what is formality and parts per million. It is the also topic of concentration. I started in the previous video concentration in terms of many terms like that, normality, molarity, mole fraction, and also in terms of formality in parts per million. First of all, what is the importance of ppm? You will understand after this video. Parts per million, जैसा कि ppm means parts per million. As you know very well, 1 million equal to 10 lakh, यानी कि 1 m equal to we can write 10 की power 6. 10 lakh, yeah, we can write 10 power 6. Whenever the solute, whenever the amount of solute is very less according to the solution, then we express the concentration of that solute in terms of parts per million. Because for that, suppose that I take an example, that is, if oxygen O2, suppose 10 gram oxygen is dissolved in 10,000 gram of water, suppose that. So if we take mass percentage of this, so how will we find 10 upon this into 100? So this लिखेंगे 0.1 10 ग्राम इंटू वाटर. सो या फिर सॉल्यूशन ले लेते हैं ताकि इजी रहता है. सॉल्यूशन, सो मास ऑफ सॉल्यूट अपॉन मास ऑफ सॉल्यूशन इनटू 100, सो 0.1%. सो this comes out in terms of 0.1 in decimal points. When I calculate in 10,000 gram, if we calculate in 1 lakh, 1 crore, so we get in 0.001 terms. So this is actually odd. So make it even. We can write concentration in terms of parts per million. If we can write in terms of part per million, so 10 upon 10,000 into 10 to the power 6. So here 10 to the power 4, 10 to the power 7 upon 10 to the power 4, 10 to the power 3 ppm. These things. So what is the importance of ppm? ppm तब यूज किया जाता है जब सॉल्यूट की अमाउंट बहुत ही ज्यादा कम हो. 1 करोड़ में वो 10 ग्राम सॉल्युबल हो, इस टाइप से बहुत ज्यादा कम हो, तो उसको ppm में एक्सप्रेस करते हैं ताकि वो ऑड नहीं लगता है, खराब नहीं लगता है आपको लिखने में. इसलिए तो कैसे निकालेंगे पार्ट्स पर मिलियन? तो पार्ट्स पर मिलियन भी सिंपल मास परसेंटेज की तरह है. लिखेंगे ppm इक्वल टू मास ऑफ सॉल्यूट, मास या फिर अमाउंट, वी कैन राइट अमाउंट हियर. Whatever the amount of solute upon amount of solution into 100. Sorry, 10 to the power 6. We can write here 10 to the power 6 because we are finding parts per million. So this is the formula of ppm. We can easily find out the parts per million from this. Now I am going to tell you formality. So first, before understanding the formality, you should understand what is the formula unit mass. As you can calculate the molecular mass of H2O, 1 into 2 plus 16 equal to 18 gram, या 18U, because we find out the molecular mass 18U. This is the molecular mass. Whenever we can find out the mass of ionic compound like this, 23 plus 35.5 58.5 U. This is the formula unit mass. So you can easily differentiate between formula unit mass and molecular mass. Formula unit mass calculated of ionic compounds. If compound is ionic, then we will calculate the formula unit mass of that ionic compound. When formula unit mass is calculated of ionic compound, then we can calculate the formality. This is the simple basics of the molarity. What is the molarity? Number of moles of solute. So we formality. What is the formality? Number of formula masses of solute upon volume of solution in liter. This is in liter. So this is expressed as F. So number of formula unit mass, simple formula unit mass upon molar mass. This is formula. This is calculate moles calculate mass upon formula unit mass. Into volume in a liter. So mass we can write W, formula unit mass F into 1000 upon V. This is ml. So this is the formula of formality. Formula unit mass we can write Fm, formula unit mass. So this is the formula of formula unit mass. I will explain it from the given numerical, which is shown as here. So we have a given numerical. This calculate the formality of the sodium thiosulfate, formula Na2O3.5H2O solution, 1.24 gram of which dissolved in 100 centimeter cube of the solution. First of all, you have to know that centimeter cube equal to ml. So 1 centimeter cube equal to 1 ml. So this is a 100 ml. And given mass equal to W equal to 1.24 gram. So we have to calculate formula unit mass of this, because this is a ionic compound. So we have to calculate formula unit mass of the Na2H2O3. So Na2H2O3.5H2O 23 into 2 plus 32 into 2 plus 16 into 3 plus 5 1 into 2 plus 16. ये जो डॉट के बाद लिखा उसको ब्रैकेट में लिखेंगे, वाटर का अलग से इसमें निकाला गया है. ये 46 हो गया, 64 48 plus 5 2 plus 16. This is 6 4 10 1 1 plus 48 plus 6 16 2 plus 16 to 18 5 90 और 90 plus 100 to 200 or 200 plus 48 to 48. So this is the formula unit mass. So we have to calculate formality. Formality equal to, we use W upon Fm into V into 100. So 1000, sorry. W equal to 1.24 upon, this is 248 into 100 into 1000. So this is cancel out. पॉइंट आया यहाँ पे 2 0 बढ़ गए, ये हो गया, ये 2 टाइम्स चला गया, सो बच गया 1/20. So this is the formality 1/20 F. We can also write 0.05 F. So this is the answer of this question. So we understand the formality parts per million, and also I explained formality with numericals, so you can write easily the numericals problems of the formality. Thank you for watching us.